Attention hobby farmers, are you looking for acreage living, luxury home all in the heart of Camas? Look no further. Located across from the Lacamas Park and adjacent to Magnolia Heights, this custom estate on just over 2 acres offers a rare blend of privacy and convenience. Built in 2002, custom, thoughtfully updated, this 4,600 square foot daylight ranch features 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths with a main level primary suite. Inside, you'll find timeless finishes, hardwood floors, crown molding, and refined craftsmanship throughout, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. Step inside your own curated grounds, complete with a detached shop or secondary garage, gardens, berries galore, and space for animals, creating a true hobby farm lifestyle. Luxury land location. This combination is incredibly rare. Schedule your private tour today and experience it for yourself.